Do you know BA Bachelor of Arts, BAC Bachelor of Science, become Bachelor of Commerce, LLB Bachelor of Laws, MA Master of Arts, MSc Master of Science, MCom Master of Commerce, LLM Master of Laws, ME Master of Engineering, MTech Master of Technology, MPhil Master of Philosophy, BTech Bachelor of Technology, B8 Bachelor of Education, M8 Master of Education, PhD Doctor of Philosophy, OPD Outpatient Department, IPD Inpatient Department, ICU Intensive Care Unit, PKD Polycystic Kidney Disease, MMR Measles, Master Mumps and Rubella, CBC Complete Blood Count.